Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So ngayon ang pangalawang araw namin dito sa Malaysia. Yan, ngayon ay lalabas po kami. Ang oras ngayon ay 6 o'clock.
No telephone.
Ano kami ng...
Where are we ground?
Ano yun? Twin Tower.
Twin Tower, Petronas. Punta namin yung mga kasama namin.
Ano isa? Ground na?
Wala pa. 6 pa lang yan.
O 6. Ayan guys. So let's go guys. Tayo mamamasyal. Thank you. Yan si Sir Alvin. Nag-aantay sa kanya yung sasakyan. Okay. So we will wait for our companion there. Sister Aliyah. Diba? So yun guys, nandito tayo sa labas ngayon ng hotel at ayan yung sasakyan namin papuntang Twin Tower. Ayan, so mag-iikot kami ngayong hapon. Ikutin namin ng Malaysia. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan kami aabot. So ito yung pinag-checkan na namin dito, is hotel. Usapin natin si Brad Alvin. Ano, Alvin?
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Punta kami ito yung grab. Punta kami ng Petronas.
Twin Tower. Welcome to my vlog. Yan, guys.
What is the plate number?
Okay. Where are you going, lady? Waalaikumsalam.
You're in Malaysia.
Ayan, napasabak ng English yan, Bro
How many
Alvin.
years?
Grab.
Yeah, as grab.
Grab
How many years?
1 year.
1 year? You're new, huh?
Grab in Malaysia.
You know every street here using just only Waze? You just using only Waze?
Yeah, we use Waze. Can avoid the.
Hindi ako matawag Chinese man. Chinese.
Our driver is a Chinese.
This is a Chinese guy from China.
Too much Chinese there in the Philippines, brother.
Yeah.
Chinese.
Yeah,
Chinese.
businessman, businesswoman.
In the Philippines, our businessman.
Oh, China man. China.
China man.
From China.
Ba't nagtatanong pa si Lenin kailan siya susunod?
Tingnan nyo guys yung sinama namin na tour guide, sobrang kulit.
Yeah, food street. Kalawa is a food street.
Food, street food. You can buy street food.
You can eat.
Food ko. Indian food, there are Indian food there and street food.
Nalilibang masyado si Alvin.
Indian food. I don't remember.
Chinese food,
Chinese food.
and Malaysian food.
A lot of Chinese.
There are no Filipino food.
Philippine food.
Ako food.
I don't know.
Ako food. Mukhaon food.
Okada. Ay, kung
So Okada.
talaga.
Okada.
Yun talaga may nagbabalay talaga.
Tama. Ano lang pala to?
Ano tayo?
Saan yung sabi mo na ano din?
May Twin Tower, oh.
Hindi yung ano pa to? Bridge na hindi yun.
Kaluma Bridge.
Ano ma bridge? Ano yung kailan ko nabi na gawin sa kanang Gaya ng mga Ramos. Tower, Petronas Tower. Ito yan, Petronas, di ba? Oo. Tower. Likod to eh, sa harap ko. Okay.
Victoria Pink
Honda. No, this is the Honda.
Song on Macau.